From starboard, just select all starboard side and turn around and come to port side.
Hi everyone. Rainy weather, not much fishing recently, so start doing a lot of moto and all that. I think I received quite a few questions regarding the Watersnake. So I'm going to do a bit of unboxing and just show you guys how I set up the motors on the kayak. Okay, yep, back again. This is the Watersnake moto. It just came in from Amazon. Okay, actually there are two versions, two power lah. Alright, there's a 24-pound truss and an 18-pound truss. I mean, with the small price difference, doesn't make sense to go for 18-pound. Might as well straight away go for 24 pounds. And for both poundage, there are two kinds of mounting. One is the transom mount, and the other one is the kayak mount. So far on the other kayaks and my personal kayak and my wife's kayak and some friends, they've been using the kayak mount. But increasingly I've been recommending the transom mount because kayak mount has its own set of problems. It tends to twist when under pressure in the water. So okay, so yeah, this is the motto of the box. I've already removed some of the labels now. And another good thing about this is that it's only like just a little over 2 kilo compared to the Newport kayak series, which is about 8 kilos. And then similarly those from AliExpress and all that it's all about 8 kilos, 8 to 10 depending on the poundage. If you take the 36 pound, I think it's 8 kilos. If you take the 55 pound, I think it's about close to 10 kilos. This one is only 2.5 kilos, much lighter. So that's another good point. And it comes with the original cables like this. Or if you prefer, you can change it to lux. This is the transom mount. Okay. Let me just show you. So for the transom mount, you should use a 316 stainless mounting bar, kayak mounting bar, something like this. It's only about 50 bucks. You can get it from Shopee, Lazada, etc. This is the original hardware that comes with the bar. But I should try to get the 304 stainless. They don't have 316. 304 stainless pipe holders. These are commercial plumbing pipe holders. This one is 28 mm diameter because the pipe is 30 mm. If you want a snug fit, you should use a 28 mm, so it's snug. Then just mount it to the back of your kayak onto the track, kayak rail track, one on each side. Alright. The only problem is that there is a possibility if you don't mount tight enough, it might twist when the motor is on. So the solution is, as far as it's possible, this screw should go inside the track. Alright, provided the part that you're mounting is narrow enough, then this screw can go inside the track. You just mount this way using the usual M6 the screws and the nuts, the square nuts, mount in the track. Okay, so basically it's like that. And then it's very straightforward. You just clip. Just clip the motor straight here. Alright. And then when you reach a shallow water, when you're keeping, you can either press the button to tilt up the motor. If not, personally I prefer to just release this button here. Don't move it up. I think you can get the Newport version or some other China-made trolling motors as well. But the important thing is for kayak, it should not be too long. The shaft in this case is 24-inch. Even the Newport kayak series, not the not the NK180. I mean the normal trolling motor for kayak. It is only 24-inch, not 36. 36 is too long already. 36 to 48 usually used for on boats. Alright. So this is the one. And then for the transom mount version, the problem is that it doesn't have a long handle. The handle is very short. Unlike the kayak mount version, it has a long, which comes with a long handle. Kayak mount version is about another $30 more currently. But kayak mount version has a problem. We need a bit of modification. I will try to show you at KBC another day. You need extra pipe holders and things like that. So I did an extension handle like that. Just put in an extension handle. And there you go. So you have an extension here. Okay. Battery wise, you can just for 24 pound. This is 60 Ah only 60 Ah, and it's only 5 kg. It's only 5 kg. Usually if I on almost a whole day out to Ubin and back, and move around and things like that, I only use about 40%. So 60 Ah is more than enough. If you buy the bigger ones, 100 Ah, the weight is about 8 kilos and it's a lot bigger. So in my opinion, this is actually good enough. But choose properly lah. Recently I bought another 60 Ah one. It's even smaller. It's only 3.9 kg, and it doesn't even come with a display. This one comes with a display, percentage display, right? Doesn't come with a display. I suspect that one is less than 60 Ah. Okay, so this is part 1. Let me mount it up on a friend's kayak, and then I'll show you more. Ciao.